Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. Today I'm going to be doing this wash and go using Flexi Gel. Flax seeds are tiny seeds that can be turned into gel, which I'm going to show you in the video. Amazingly, flaxseed is rich in vitamin E, which can help in hair growth and also keeping healthy hair. My hair is still wet and you can basically see product on my hair, but as it dries down, this product is gonna disappear. I'm actually enjoying the shrinkage. It reminds me of when my hair was shorter and I'm actually loving it. And I think I might just rock this wash and go more and more. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. Also follow me on my social media to be notified of everything I post. So let's see how I do this wash and go. Let's get into the video. We're first gonna make the Flexi Gel. To make the Flexi Gel, you're just gonna put some water in a pot and then you're gonna put some flax seeds. These ones are bought at Woolworths. You're then gonna stir the pot until it comes to a boil, and then after it comes to a boil, you keep stirring until it becomes thick and also gel-like. You can see that the gel becomes thicker and thicker as I keep stirring. When it's thick enough, you're going to need a container that you're going to pour the gel into. And you're also going to need something to separate the seeds from the gel, like a strainer. I'm going to use this old stocking. Pour the seeds and the gel into the stockings and container. When you're done, grab the stocking. We're going to try to strain the gel out. You're gonna need 2 forks or maybe teaspoons, and then we're just gonna use them because the gel is hot and you do not want to burn your hands. And the gel should look like this when you're done. So let's get into the video of how I do the wash and go using this Flexi Gel. I went ahead and made more gel because my hair is longer and I wanted enough. For this wash and go, we're also going to use the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. It's a leave-in or rinse out conditioner, so it means that you can either leave it in your hair or rinse it out as a deep conditioner. I'm doing this wash and go on wet washed hair. You can watch my video on how I wash my hair. I'm first gonna apply the conditioner on my hair as a moisturizer. When you do a wash and go, you want your hair to be moisturized so that it doesn't tangle together as soon as it dries. The gel is a thick consistency and we're gonna use it to activate the coils in the hair for a nice and beautiful wash and go. I apply enough gel using a downwards method and also using my thumbs to activate the coils on my hair. A wash and go is basically a way to clean and style your hair without the use of protective styling or manipulation on your hair like overcombing your hair. I apply the Flexi Gel as well as the moisturizer in sections on my hair. You can see the shrinkage on my hair. That's what a wash and go does. We're not going to be using any manipulation to stretch the hair. So we're just going to leave it to shrink and also become into tiny coils. I'm also gonna wipe my hands after every section to avoid flaking on the hair. Also, separate the hair to ensure less tangles when the hair dries up. The hair is still shrunken and it will shrink more. You can use clips or bands to weigh down your hair while it dries. This will assist if you want less shrinkage on your hair. When you're done, you'll just wait for your hair to dry up. When your hair dries, the product will just disappear from your hair. It took me about 5 hours for it to dry because my hair is low porosity and it takes time to dry down. This is a picture I took a day after without the product. It's still coily and also defined. Do leave me a comment below if you would like me to do a video on how I maintain this wash and go and also how it went throughout the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you on the next one.